Excuse me, folks, while I deal with some technical difficulties. Gigwena Weneman. I've been holding out so long. I've been sleeping all along, and I miss you. Gigwena Weneman. Gigwena Weneman. Gigwena Weneman. I miss you. I miss you too. And when I'm out in the desert, you know, it can be hard. You get lonely. You get lonely? I get lonely when I'm on the desert, and sometimes when I'm in outer space. Yeah. Oh, I get so lonely. I miss the earth so much, and I miss you. I miss the earth so much. I miss Natasha. It's lonely out in space. Gigwena Weneman. I miss you. Why did you want to teach this phrase today? Oh, I don't know, because I saw that we did it once before and it got thousands of views. Really? Yeah. I thought our show was dying on the vine. Well, it kind of is. I mean, it's just like the boys. The same old James and Jim show up. Yeah, how you doing, guys? Yeah, people aren't really interested in the live stream, but we've got so many videos out there now that, I don't know. Eventually, people are finding us. Oh, that's cool. But yeah, Gigwena Weneman was a really popular video about 2 years ago. Huh. Gigwena Weneman. And what if you wanted to say, I missed you, like in the past tense? Well, then you'd say, Gigwena Weneman. Would you say Gigawena Weneman? No, I think you just say Gigawena. I'm kind of sorry I asked now because I don't know either. Do you know Michael? No. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, rock star cartoonist. I still dream of Organon. Wake up crying, you're making rain, and you're just in reach. When you in sleep escape me, you're like my yo-yo that glowed in the dark. What made it special made it dangerous, so I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. Don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. On top of the world, looking over the edge, you could see them coming. You look too small in their big black car to be a threat to the men in power. I hid my yo-yo in the garden. I can't hide you from the government, so I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, You're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. Yeah, 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 yo, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, yeah, yo, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, 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 yo, oh, oh, oh. Your sun's coming out. Every time it rains, your sun's coming out. The sun's coming out. The sun's coming out. Up next, don't tell me that you don't always think of Rocky IV when you hear this song. This is Survivors, Eye the Tiger. Da 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 da. Rising up. I love that song. Yeah, me too. Don't ticka don't ticka don't ticka. Rising up. How's it go? Da 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 da. Your on-air voice is great. Hey, thanks, Jim. Try it out for a while. And today it was clear to partly cloudy skies. You gotta talk kind of from your belly when you're a radio DJ. I wonder if they're gonna want me to clean up my res accent. They're gonna ask you to talk more white. Yeah, Michael, can you teach me how to talk a little less resi? I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, like that. I don't know what you're talking about. Hey there, everybody. I grew up off the reservation. Oh, I really got that thick accent. Oh, holy man. You know what's good about me? What's good about you? I don't curse. They're not going to have like a curse button on me. You don't curse? No, I don't swear. That's true, you don't. No. In Ojibwe, we don't have swear words. Is that true? Yeah. Well, what do we do when we smash our finger on with a hammer? Oh, that's easy. That's when we speak English. No, there is no. In fact, I remember one time I was reading this article. I read this article, the first Ojibwe translators or whatever, the first non-Ojibwe were missionaries from, I think, France. Really? Yeah, this was like a French missionary. And he was talking about the first time it was in his journal, when he met the Ojibways, I think in Lake Michigan. First contact with the natives. Yeah. And he goes, they're a really great people. They're very kind and generous, fearless, very welcoming. They have no memory of a murder ever taking place within their communities. There have been wars where people died, but they had communal, no stealing, no killing, no cheating on your wives or anything like that. And they never curse. They would never curse even their God. Really? Yep. The Ojibways, first Ojibways, the missionaries were just amazed at how, no, that's not our way. Nowadays, English-speaking Ojibways are just the worst, vilest speakers. You know, they think the name Jesus Christ is a swear word. Yeah, huh? I heard Alice Cooper say that. Yeah, that's what made me think of it. Alice Cooper is, because most kids today think Jesus Christ is a swear word. In the morning when I rise, in the morning when I rise, in the morning when I rise, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus. When I am alone, oh, when I am alone, when I am alone, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus. When I come to die, oh, when I come to die, when I come to die, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus. But, yeah, I wouldn't even call them friends, but there'd be people I used to hang out with, and guys I grew up with too, actually. In LaPorte, this is a border town, small town right off the res, where there'd be these guys who just couldn't stop using the F word. I hate that. Yeah, me too. It's like, really? You don't know how to express yourself without... The F word isn't a comma. Do you mind? You know what other word I hate? What's that? The N word. You hate the N word? I should hope so. No, I don't mean nigger. I mean, I hate the people who use the term N word. Because, I forget who said this. It might have been some comedian, but he goes, when you use the N word, you're making the other person think nigger. Don't say that word. Well, it's just a word. But, there's a weird psychological spell. Like, why would you even need to use the term N-word unless you actually wanted to use the N-word? I've never had to build a sentence where I wanted to use the N-word, but I didn't want to say the N-word. So, you know what word I hate? N-words. What? I don't like the N-word, and I don't like people who use the real N-word. And I don't like people use the MF word. That's pretty gross, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's way worse than the N-word. You call somebody the MF word? And you know who the only people are who use the MF word? N-words? Exactly. N-words. Hey, mother fathers. How you doing, you crazy mother fathers? Where's my N-word, you mother father?